Alright, this is the Cart 126. This is the flip top. It's all pretty good condition. And on the front panel, there's no marks or dings. And on the side here, see there's a little dent there. Otherwise it's pretty smooth. And at the very bottom there's a slight ding there. As for the back, a couple scuff marks. And that's all one piece. Fairly flat. And on the left side, it's all pretty uniform. And back to the front face, you see there's a slight scuff mark. Well, actually no, that's tape. But there's a slight scuff mark there. But everything else is in pretty good condition. And I'll just open up the drawers. And of course all the drawers can be swapped out, so they can be changed.